Okay, look. That's my Invader 25 caliber Hatsan. Invader I-25. I-25. Bingo. Okay, now, what I'm gonna do this time, look, I got the other camera over on the other end. I think you see it. This the other side of the door to the refrigerator. See? I shot the other side with my AEA Challenger Pro 25 cal. And I got that video posted already. Now, I'm gonna shoot that side. Okay? Let you see what this one does. Doing that. I ain't doing that, but I did it. Now what I gotta do now, look, this is what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna run right there and start the other camera. Y'all ready for this one? I'm finna go where you can see me. I got the SLUGS 32 grain H&N burst. I'm gonna shoot more or less that area because my phone, like I say, is over there and I don't want to shoot my phone. Now, I'm only about, you're maybe 10 yards, I'm about 7, but here I go. Okay, now I'm going for the Grizzlies. As soon as I locate them, run right here. Now these are Grizzlies. I'm gonna take you to see the damage. Shoot the Grizzlies on the other side. Now, I'm gonna lay this where I know it won't get all messed up. Pick it up. Take you over here, let you see it. Up, let me get my mag. Here we go. This side there is the H&N SLUGS 32. The Grizzlies 31 grain. Let's see that they go through. Oh yeah. Yep. Sure did. Grizzlies, H&N, SLUGS. There you go. There you have it.